Hi, this is day 22. I am practicing my speaking English. The sentences are not correct. The words are not correct. My pronunciation is not good. How good I am speaking? I am consistent to it. Every day I am speaking to video. Sometimes I think a lot to speak a sentence or to set a word in between sentence. I fumble in between sentences. I think a lot to speak a sentence. Yesterday I realized one thing. I understood that English is not problem to me, communication is problem to me. You don't need to be perfect in English. That's it. No one is perfect in this world. Even native speakers are also not perfect. You know that? They are adapted their language from their childhood. That's why they are native speakers. And we are not native speakers. We are not living in the around of English people or around of English native language. That's it. But we can speak English if we have consistency. If you have consistency, you can speak English too very well. For what do you need consistency? You need consistency to speak, not to learn, not to read, not to write. Yes, they will help, but on top of all this, speaking is in above 100%. That's it. You have to understand it first of all. Everyone can speak English if they are consistent. That's it. Okay. Today my topic is AWS Load Balancer. Every day I am practicing each topic and I am explaining to myself and I am explaining in the video. No matter what, I make mistakes. I do not stop in between the video. I speak whatever the words that are coming to my mouth and I explain the sentence in a clear way. That's my goal. My goal is to not to be silent and I try to improve myself every day. I am not a good articulator, but I want to become a good articulator. I want to become a effective articulate speaker in a room. From my childhood, I didn't explain any concepts to anyone. I didn't have a knowledge. I thought that I don't have knowledge to explain anything. So I behaved like that. But I know at now, with consistency, we can do anything. With discipline, we can get anything. The phrase is simple and the thing is simple. If you want it, you have to work for it. If you are working for it, you have to work for it until you get it. That's it. I stopped in between the sentence. That's not matter. I thought that I have to say you or I, but I am saying to you. That's why I used I. That's why I used you. If I use I, it will be more clear and it will be more pleasant to listen by you. So today's concept is simple. It's about load balancer. Do you know it's about load balancer? Up and down, up and down. It's like in AWS Load Balancer, it essentially route traffic to two servers. It means same application, but they are running in two servers. For a single application, multiple users will use the application. But if companies maintain the single server for lots of users, for many users, a server couldn't process the information or couldn't access the users in a easy way. So they are using the two servers and using the load balancer to route traffic similarly to the two servers. That's the simple point. We can say like this: a load balancer is used to distribute the traffic. That's it. A AWS load balancer is the actual point that the user traffic will hit, but a load balancer route traffic to the target group. It does not route traffic directly to the servers. A target group maintains the servers or instances or containers. So these are all work on different ports and protocols. Load balancer listens on TLS protocol, TCP protocol or UDP protocol, and it routes traffic to target group. Target group listens or it routes traffic in between with HTTP, HTTPS, TCP, UDP protocols, and it listens on different port number. A port number can be set as per the company's requirement or as per your requirement. That's it. Next, after target group route traffics to instances, virtual servers or servers and containers. Targets listens on a control port. A control port is common or different for different targets. It's actually did by or assigned by the target group. If you essentially we assign the control ports to the targets. These control ports couldn't be changed once we created the target group. So be particular about it. Target groups are for instances or virtual servers. No, instances and virtual servers are same. We call virtual servers as instances. Instances are servers and for containers. So these are the targets. Control port is the port ID which listens user's request. That's final. This is all about AWS load balancer. It's about balancing the load of the traffic from the user. AWS load balancer are 4 types: application load balancer, network load balancer, classic load balancer and gateway load balancer. Application load balancer is effective and it understands web URLs like payments and order request. If you take a Flipkart application, orders will be there, payments will be there, catalog will be there, like different sections and different microservices there. Those type of applications are preferred to use application load balancer. We can run it on network load balancer also, but application load balancer is more effective because it understands layer 4 communication. A network load balancer understands layer 4 communication. It works on port numbers and it is too effective than application load balancer. It works very better. Classical load balancer and gateway load balancer are not more important than network load balancer and application load balancer. These are more widely used in the companies. And SSL and TLS. We attach SSL certificates to the load balancer. That's it. This is I learned today and I understand. I explained to you very better, but I want to express it very well. If an interviewer asks me a question, I want to say it in different perspectives with different reasons. Because no one will ask in one direction. They will ask in different directions. I have to say in that direction. So I need to learn frameworks. Yes, frameworks are essential. So I want to good at concepts first of all. That's it. Thank you. This is AWS Load Balancer.